Hello everyone and welcome to STEMSEL at Science Alive 2020. I am Michael. I am a Dr. Universe Young Ambassador and Inventor for Social Good here at STEMSEL.
Hi, I'm Alex and I'm also part of the STEMSEL Foundation and I'm also a Young Ambassador for Dr. Universe. Many of our projects here at STEMSEL, they start off as ideas and then they develop into plans and they turn out like something like this, a working model, and then eventually they get into the production and people use their ideas as actual real life things.
All of the projects were done using the STEMSEL kits here as the fundamentals.
Hello, my name is Alex and I'm an inventor at the STEMSEL Electronics Club. I've been in the club for a few years now and this is my latest project that I've been working on. So what this is I've got these drones from Target. They cost about $30, so they're very cheap. And I'm modifying them with a lot of hardware. So this is going to go inside of all 3 drones. And the idea is to make them fly by themselves and navigate around the environment without crashing, hopefully. So the idea is I'll have Arduinos installed in the drones, and then on the base station I'll have another Arduino and then a STEMSEL board, so that was runlinc.
Okay.
And then in the STEMSEL board I'll have a program so it communicates with the Arduino, which is sending data to and from the drone, and then you can control the drones from a web page. And you can control the flight path.
Okay, so you can actually set the flight path from the web page,
yeah.
And that will actually command the drone, and the drone will be able to do it itself.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Okay, that sounds very exciting. Good project. How long until you think you'll get that one done? We can see it. We're excited to see that.
Hopefully at the start of next year I'll have it up and running.
Okay, very good. Yeah. So, and I understand the drones can even have vision on there as well,
Yeah,
like
they've
a
also
camera.
got a small camera on it, so you can see what the drone's seeing.
So it is actually a Wi-Fi camera, so it will then go straight to the runlinc page then, obviously being a Wi-Fi camera. Oh, very good. So, yeah. Very good. So, with the... Yeah, can you actually show the camera?
If I can show the camera. So if I connect to the drone's Wi-Fi network,
it
should be here somewhere. Already connected. So you can see on this app, you can see everything a drone's seeing. So you can see in the recording.
Okay, very good. Thanks, Alex.